What's good, gang, and welcome back to another episode of Uncut. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, don't kill my vibe. And for all my OG subscribers, welcome back to the channel. You already know what it's hitting for. All right, so today we are in Virginia Beach, Virginia, and I'm in town for one night because I'm going to a party or whatever, a little kiddie party, not an adult event, a little one-year-old toddler party. However, you know, I have booked a stay at the Hyatt Place Hotel in Town Center, Virginia Beach, Virginia, and I just want to give y'all a room tour. So I feel like anytime I go stay anywhere, whether it's a 1-star all the way up to a 5-star resort or hotel, I think I'm just gonna give y'all a room tour so y'all can kind of see, you know what I'm saying, what the room is hitting for, things of that nature, and what to expect when you guys book, or if you traveling to a city or a town or a place that I might travel to and you're going there. At least this way you guys get to see the video firsthand and you can kind of have a heads up on what to expect if you have, you know, just so happen to book this resort. But however, let's get into this room tour. Okay, so obviously when you first come in, this is what you're going to see. So of course, this is the door right here. You know, nothing fancy about the door. You come in, you got this picture on the wall. You got this, you know, this full-size body mirror in case you want to check your drip out, things of that nature or whatever. And then over here to the left, you got this closet or whatever. So, you know, you got things in this closet that you might want to hang up.
Very important.
Hang it up, very important. You got your iron.
Not a lot of hotels have irons anymore. You have something steamer.
And you got like an extra blanket or something like that. So, you know, I'm not gonna use that because we don't know if they're cleaning that blanket properly or not, you know, and that's what's here. This is just a closet. And here, you know, we have down below, we have like a little mini fridge or whatever. Let's see if there's anything in here. Oh shit, I think I'm about to break it. Okay, so we got the little mini fridge. Ain't nothing really in there, but you know, it's here just in case. And then above the mini fridge, you got your little coffee station where you got your little, you know, so-so coffee maker. You got some coffee essentials over here. You got a coffee cup, you know, things of that nature or whatever. Nothing fancy. Then as you walk in a little bit further, you have your desk here. So you got like a desk, a workstation that has a lamp here. And that's the lamp for it or whatever. And you got this little neat chair here, and you got this little workstation. This is where I'm going to be editing this YouTube video for you guys right here at this space. So when you guys see this video uploaded, just know that when this part of the video comes up, this video was edited right here at this space. I'm gonna edit this video ASAP for you guys. And I'm also thinking about shooting somewhat of a vlog of the kiddie party, maybe not, I don't know. But you'll definitely have this room tour video. So, if you guys would just follow me this way, we have our little bathroom area. And you know, you got your sink and your mirror right here, some towels, some napkins, some more extra towels. You got a blow dryer down here or whatever, just in case you want to, you know, wash your hair, blow dry it out. And it's separated from the actual toilet area, and you got your toilet right here. And then right here, you have a sliding door. So in case you want to block out the outside world, you got a sliding door right here. And you know, you can lock in the freshness or seal out the odor, you know, just in case you gotta go boo-boo. And you got this shower right here. A nice see-through shower with a sliding door or whatever. And I think the shower is pretty dope or whatever. You got that shower right there, you know? So it got a light in here? No, it don't got a light in the shower, but that's the shower. So if you follow me here, we come in and then boom, you got yourself a nice little sofa area with an ottoman, and to my knowledge, the sofa folds out into a sofa bed. So, you know, if you got extra guests or whatever, you can sleep on the bed and your guests can sit on the sofa bed right here. And you know, you got access to the desk right here, and then you have this nice view right here to the left. So, you know, just in case you want to come, you know, clear your mind, ponder your thoughts or whatever, you can come out here and you can see this view right here. over here, we have the bed. Nice king size bed for you guys, you know, just in case you wanna pit it down or something like that. Or, you know, you might be by yourself, you might not wanna pit it down. Or you might still wanna pit it down anyway. You might just not have nobody to pit it down with. Might have to go on Tinder, you know what I'm saying, and get that right swipe going. And, you know, we got the little lamps over here. Got a little alarm clock. We got this picture or whatever of whatever it is, I have no idea. And at the foot of the bed, we have this TV. It looks like maybe like a 42-inch TV or whatever. And then, you know, it got cable, free cable. And then you got, you know, nice, humongous, spacious drawers and stuff for you to put your belongings, you know, your clothes. And very important, if you're a Christian, you have a Bible right here, Holy Bible, in the bottom left corner of the left bottom drawer. And this room right here, guys, I feel as though it's a nice size room for, you know, for 1 or 2 people, even more because we got the sofa bed in here. But for this room in particular, the going rate right now with tax included was only about 114 bucks. So you really can't beat that, you know? I'm only staying in town for 1 night and I'm checking out early. So, you know, I feel as though this room is more than adequate to suit my needs for a 1-night stay. So if you come into Town Center, Virginia Beach, Virginia, you could definitely check out the Hyatt place and you can get this king size suite or whatever. It's a corner room and, you know, you get your bang for your buck. Normally when I come to Virginia, I go to the West End, but this time I decided to go somewhere different. So the next time I do come back to Virginia, I will indeed, in fact, stay at the West End and do a room tour there because I've never done a room tour at the West End or whatever. So, but, you know, we're here at the Hyatt place for 1 night and it's pretty good. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, smash that like button, subscribe, turn on the notifications so you can be the first to know, not the last, of every time I post a video. And I will see you guys in the next video. So if it's any other questions you guys would like to ask me, you know, you can drop it down below in the comment section and I'll try to get back to you guys as fast and promptly as possible. And I'll see you guys in the next video.